Before you begin, remove the rubber feet, the top cover, the large fan, the main wireless LAN antenna assembly, the wireless LAN board, the system memory modules, the M.2 flash memory module, the M.2 absorber rear I/O bracket assembly, the small fan, the thermal module, the power button board, the internal battery, the external battery cable, and the motherboard. Removal. Remove the two P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the DC out cable bracket to the rear cover. Remove the bracket. Remove the DC out cable from the rear cover. Replacement. Place the DC out cable into position on the rear cover. Place the bracket over the cable and on the alignment pins on the rear cover. Replace the two P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the DC out cable bracket to the rear cover.